Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thanks for watching. We're talking LG washing machine today, and in the event that you want to activate the end of cycle alert or alarm, you can do it in just seconds. Now there can be an advantage or disadvantage with activating this beep. The advantage would be you insert clothes in the washing machine, start the cycle, and go about your business, do other things around the house. And once the cycle is complete, the end of cycle auroral alert will go off, and you will be able to hear it from a different room. Now the disadvantage, say for example you insert clothes into the washing machine, start the cycle, and you just put a baby or toddler down for a nap. Once the washing machine reaches the end of the cycle, that end of cycle alert will go off and it might wake up the baby or toddler. Now in the event that you actually had the alert set and you ran a cycle and at the end of the cycle it did not actually alert, a couple different things could have happened. Number one, you could have lost power and that basically may have deactivated the actual alert. Number two, you might have unfortunately had to replace a part and you unplugged the actual washing machine and during the change of the part, it deactivated the actual alert or alarm. First thing you want to do is direct your attention to the actual control panel, and the power switch is on now. You can see it. And then over to the far right, you have this water plus and asterisk beeper on and off. In the event that you just push water plus, this amber light will illuminate. We actually want to activate the asterisk portion, which is the beeper. So we're going to push and hold until we hear it beep. Hear it? Your end of cycle alert is now activated. To deactivate it, you will do the exact same step. At this point, run a cycle, and at the end of the cycle, you will hear that alert. The spin cycle just ended. So that's it. That's what it sounds like. And as you can hear, the actual door locking mechanism released, and now the cycle is complete and you can open the door. Hope this helps. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notifications in your settings. By that, every video we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.